Hello friends, we have added some new feature in existing student attendance management system using PHP Ajax. In this attendance system we have some feature, which is suggested by our viewers, so we have added into system. There are some viewers has requested us to view single student attendance records in chart format, or view particular grade student attendance data in chart. So, here first we have add this two feature at admin side, and in this part we will discuss how an admin can view particular student attendance data in chart format. For this we have go to index page of admin folder. On this page admin can view all student average percentage of present status. Now we want to display present and absent data in graphical form, so admin can understand whole data in simple graph. First we want to make chart button. For this we have go to attendance action.php file. Here we in this block of code, we want to make chart button. So, here we have write, button tag with type is equal to button, name is equal to chart button, data student ID attribute is equal to $row student ID variable, class is equal to report button. Friends, this is admin area. This page will be load after admin has been logged into system, so we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, we can see chart button has been appear on web page. Here in when we have click on report button, then pop-up has load on web page, and here we can define from date and to date and click on report button, then particular student attendance PDF report has been created. Same way here also, when we have click on chart button, then also modal will pop up and here user can define action like PDF report, or chart and select from date and to date, click on submit button. So, if user has been select, chart report, then particular student attendance data of particular date, will be converted into chart and display on web page. Now, we have go to index page, this modal code. Now under this we have create one select tag, with name, and ID is equal to, report action, with two option like PDF report and chart report. After this, we have go to jQuery code, and here in create report jQuery code, we have write action variable is equal to with select tag ID report button. Here we have store, select tag value in this action variable. After this, in this if block, we have write, if statement and under condition we have write, action variable is equal to PDF report. If this condition true, then it will execute this block of code. This block of code will make PDF report of attendance. After this we have again write, if statement and under condition, we have write action variable is equal to char report. If this condition true, that means admin want data in chart, then it will execute this block of code. Under this block, we have write, location.ref is equal to chart.php file, question mark action is equal to student chart, and student ID is equal to student ID variable. Now we have go to chart.php file, and here first we have write, include statement with header.php file. By using this code, we can use whole code of header.php file, into this chart.php file. Under this file, first we have create, one table with 4 table row for display data like, student name, grade name, teacher name and time period. First we want to display, student name, so here we have write echo statement, with function like get student name. With argument like $connect variable, and $get student ID variable. This function will return student name, based on student ID get from URL. Now we have go to database connection.php, and here we have make get student name function, with 2 argument like $connect variable, and $get student ID variable. Under this function, we have write $query variable is equal to, select student from student table, where student ID is equal to, $student ID variable. Below this query, we have write, $statement variable is equal to, $connect variable, with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. After this, we have write $statement variable, with execute method, it will execute above query. Now we have write, $result variable is equal to, $statement variable with fetch all method, it will return query execution result. For fetch data from $result variable, here we have write for each loop, with condition like $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write return statement with $row student name variable, this is the output of this function. After this, we want to display student grade name, so here we have write echo statement with, get student grade name function. With $connect variable, and $get student ID variable. This function will return particular student grade name. Now we have again go to, database connection.php file, and here we have make get student grade name function, with 2 argument like $connect variable, and $student ID variable. Under this function, we have write $query variable is equal to, select grade table.grade name from student table, inner join grade table. On grade table.grade ID is equal to, student table.student grade ID, where student table.student ID is equal to $student ID variable, this query will return particular student grade name. Below this query, we have write, $statement variable is equal to, $connect variable, with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. After this, we have write $statement variable, with execute method, it will execute above query. Now we have write, $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method, it will return query execution result. For fetch data from $result variable, here we have write for each loop, with condition like $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write return statement with $row grade name variable, this is the output of this function. Now we have go to chart.php file, and here we want to display teacher name of particular student. For this here we have write echo statement with get student teacher name function. With two argument like $connect variable and $get student ID variable, it will return teacher name of particular student. Now we have again go to database connection.php file, and here we have make function like get student teacher name function, with two argument like $connect variable, and $student ID variable. Under this function, we have write $query variable is equal to, select teacher name from student table, inner join grade table. On grade table grade ID is equal to, student table student grade ID, inner join teacher table on teacher table teacher grade ID is equal to, grade table grade ID, where student table student ID is equal to, $student ID variable, this query will return particular student teacher name. Below this query, we have write, $statement variable is equal to, $connect variable, with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. After this, we have write $statement variable, with execute method, it will execute above query. Now we have write, $result variable is equal to, $statement variable with fetch all method, it will return query execution result. For fetch data from $result variable, here we have write for each loop, with condition like $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write return statement with $row teacher name variable, this is the output of this function. After this, we have go to chart.php file, here we want to display time period, so here we have write echo statement with $get from date variable, and $to date variable. Below this table, we have create one division tag, with ID is equal to attendance pie chart. Under this, we will display attendance data in pie chart format. Below this, we have create one table, with two table column like date and attendance date. In this table we will display student attendance data in table format also. Now we want get attendance data, which we want to display in chart, so here we have defined four variable like $present percentage, $absent percentage, $total present and $total absent is equal to 0. After this, we have write $query variable is equal to, select star from attendance table, where student ID is equal to, $get student ID variable. and attendance date greater than $get from date variable, and attendance date less than equal to $get to date variable, this query will return student attendance data of particular date range. Below this query, we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. After this, we have write $statement variable with execute method. It will execute above query. Now we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. It will return query execution result. For get total records, here we have write $total row variable is equal to $statement variable with row count method. This method will return total row affected after query execution. For fetch data from $result variable, here we have write for each loop, and under condition, we have write $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write $status variable is equal to blank value. After this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $row attendance status is equal to present. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $present variable with value increment by 1. Below this, we have write $status variable is equal to span tag with class is equal to badge and badge success, with text like present. After this, we have again write if statement, and under condition we have write $row attendance status variable is equal to absent. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $total absent variable, with value increment by 1. Below this, we have write $status variable is equal to span tag with class is equal to badge and badge danger, with text like absent. Below this we have write $output variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like open and close table row, with two table data tag. Under first table data tag, we want to display attendance date, so here we have write $row attendance date variable. Same way, in second table data tag, we want to display attendance status, so here we have write $status variable. This way particular student attendance data table will be filled with data. Now we want to get present percentage and absent percentage. So, here we write $present percentage variable is equal to $total present variable divided by $total row variable into 100. It will return present percentage. Same way for absent percentage. Here we have write $absent percentage variable is equal to $total absent variable divided by $total row variable into 100. It will return absent percentage. For fill table with data, so here we have write echo statement with $output variable. It will display student attendance data in table. For display attendance data, In pie chart, here we have use Google Chart Library. For using Google Chart Library, for create chart on this page, first we want to load Google Chart Library on this page, so for this we have add this Google Chart Library loader link on this page. By putting this link we can make any type of chart, which Google Chart Library has support, we can use on this page. This links will loads the loader itself. Then after we have write this Google Chart Library JavaScript code, here first argument like google.charts.load is the version name or number, as a string. And here we have write current that specify the latest official release of Google Charts to be loaded. After this we have write packages core chart, that specify we can use bar, column, line, area, stepped area, bubble, pie, donut, combo, candlestick, histogram, scatter chart on this page. After this, we have write google.charts.set on load callback function. This code is specify once the packages have been loaded, then after this draw chart function has been called. Here draw chart is function, which we will make for draw pie chart. Under this function, we have write data variable is equal to google.visualization.array to data table function. This function creates data table by using a single call. Under function, we have write, in first index we have write define two column like, attendance status, and percentage. In second index, we want to display present percentage, so here we have write present, and echo statement with $present percentage variable. In third index, we want to display absent percentage, so here we have write absent, with echo statement with $absent percentage variable. This data will be displayed in pie chart. For define other chart property, here we have create on option variable. In first option, we have write, title, and here we have define overall attendance analytics. This will define chart title. In second option, we have write horizontal axis. Under this we have write three option like title set to percentage, minimum value set to 0, and maximum value set to 100. Same way in third option, we have write vertical axis, and under this we have write title option set to attendance status. After define chart option, now we have write chart variable is equal to, new google.visualization.pie-chart method. Under this method we have write division tag ID attendance pie chart. Lastly for draw pie chart, here we have write chart.draw method, with two argument like data variable and options variable. It will draw pie chart with attendance data. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, this is the index page of admin side. When admin login into system, then he will be redirect to this page, and on this page, he can view all student average attendance data. Here we can view chart button, appear on every student row, so we have click on chart button. After click on chart button, modal has been pop up on web page. Now in modal, we have add select field, with two option like PDF report, and chart report. If user select PDF report, then it will make particular attendance data in PDF format, and suppose user click on chart report, then user can view student attendance data in chart format. Now we have select chart report option, and after this we have select from date and to date, and lastly click on create button. After click on create button, on web page we can see particular student attendance data in pie chart format, so user can understand how many percentage the student is percent, and how many percentage the student is absent. Here user can see other student details like his name, his grade name, his teacher, and attendance data in table format also. So, this first attendance management analytics module, we will publish other analytics video very soon. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.